I can write algebraic expressions. Number 1, which expression below represents k more than 8? Number 2, the zoo has lions, tigers, and bears. There are t tigers in the zoo. A, how many lions are in the zoo if there are 3 more lions than tigers? B, how many bears are in the zoo if the number of bears is 2 times the number of lions? Number 3, which algebraic expression below could represent the phrase below? A number n decreased by 5. Number 4, Anna is 3 years older than Vicky. Luana is 2 years younger than Vicky. Complete the 2 expressions below to show the ages. The variable v stands for Vicky's ages. I can identify the parts of an expression. Number 5, identify the variable and the constant in the expression below. Number 6, what are the like terms in the expression below? Number 7, in the expression n plus 23, what is 23? A coefficient, B, a factor, C, a term, D, a sum. Number 8, which expressions are equal to 41 when evaluated at D equals 4? Number 9, a rectangular box with dimensions L by W by H has a surface area A given by A equals 2 times LW plus 2 times LH plus 2 times WH. Its volume V is given by volume length times width times height. If the dimensions of the box are given as 5 feet by 3 feet by 2.5 feet, what is the surface area and the volume of the box? Show your work. Evaluate the expression 1/4 y plus 10 plus y squared for y equals 8. I can apply the properties of operations to generate equivalent expressions. Number 11, use the distributive property. Simplify the expression below. Name the property that is used on numbers 12, 13, 14, and 15. Number 6, I can identify 2 equivalent expressions. Number 16, which expression is equivalent to 12x minus 3x? Number 17, write an equivalent expression for the expression that is given. Number 19 says match each expression with an equivalent expression. I can combine like terms. Combine like terms on 24, 25, and 26. 27, a rectangular prism has a length A, width B, and height C. Use the formula A equals length times width. Find the area of each face of the prism and write an expression for the sum of the areas. Collect like terms and then use the distributive property to simplify the expression so that there are 3 terms inside the parentheses. Show your work. B, use the result from part A to write an expression for the total surface area of a cube with side length A. Use the properties of operations to simplify the expression to 1 term. Show your work. Number 28, Peter is making cookies. He needs to add a total of 2 1/4 cups of flour and 2 2/3 cups of sugar per batch. At the beginning of the recipe, he only adds 1 3/4 cup of flour and 2/3 cup of sugar per batch. He adds 1/2 cup of flour and 1 1/3 cups of sugar per batch later in the recipe. A, write an expression for the number of cups of flour Peter added to make B batches of cookies. B, write an expression for the number of cups of sugar Peter added to make B batches of cookies. C, simplify the expressions from parts A and B. Did Peter add enough flour and sugar to his cookies?